everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are now going to tour Bern, the charming capital city and unique place in Switzerland. Come, let us explore it together. Our group started the city walking tour at Bern Barren Park. Did you notice the statue of the black bird dancing on wires in the city? The bird is the symbol of this city. Founder of the city, Berthold B. Duke of Zähringen, vowed to name the city after the first animal he successfully hunted, which is the bear. Thus, the prominent bear symbolism could be found throughout Bern. Most houses in Bern's Old Town were constructed between the 12th and 15th centuries. During medieval times, wood was the most common construction material, so Bern was known for its many charming wooden houses. However, early 15th century deadly fire ravaged Bern's old city. More than 650 wooden houses were destroyed in that fire and many lost their lives. Thus, the survivors decided to rebuild the houses from stone. Soundstones has dominated Bern's old town city since. One of the most impressive parts of the old city of Bern is the arcades, which is a 6-kilometer covered place sure to walk, which can shield you to any harsh weather. There is a huge variety of shops, cafes, and restaurants. The best streets. There is also hidden courtyards and best route for first-time visitors. This is the Einstein house. Einstein lived in Bern, and the house where he lived has been converted into a small museum. So immerse yourself in the life of the brilliant physicist through an exhibition in his former flat, where the museum is located right in the historic city center in the main street. Look at this amazing Sittglocke, a 23-meter high tower that stands in the heart of downtown Bern. The Sittglocke astronomical clock, a masterpiece of medieval clockmaking. At 5 minutes before each hour, visitors gather before the clock to watch the unique spectacle. That's when the puppet show starts, and you can see birds, a jester, a golden rooster, and even Kronos, the god of time, ringing in the new hour. The buildings in the old city of Bern represent the final major example of Gothic architecture in Europe, characterized by pointed arches. This is a majestic cathedral offering spectacular views from the gallery tower with 65-meter climb and 302 stairs. From the highest church tower, visitors can enjoy extraordinary views of over the city and environment. Amazingly, Bern is the city of fountains. There are over 500 public fountains dating back to 1544. Here is the most impressive ones to see. Here is my daughter in front of the banner carrier fountain, celebrating the city's banner bearers in depicting a knight holding the Bernese flag. Moses fountain depicted as holding 10 commandments. And this is Samson fountain dedicated to Samson, a strong man and a biblical hero. This is the fountain of justice. The statue is blindfolded with a sword and scales, typical symbols of Lady Justice. And at the justice feet are 4 smaller busts encircled the base: a pope, an emperor, a sultan, and a sculptase. Each figure's eyes are shut, symbolizing submission. This is a scary fountain, the fountain of the eater of children. It depicts an ogre devouring a naked child with sack of more children at his feet. Well, the theory, they said that to scare the children if they misbehave. Or the other theory, Kronos eats all his godchildren to keep them from taking over his throne. We are now by the impressive Kirchenfeld Bridge, a road bridge, deck arch bridge made of steel and truss arch, built from 1881 to 1883. It is a very stunning bridge in Bern, offering breathtaking views and a tranquil atmosphere. Okay guys, we are now on our way back to our tour bus to go to another medieval town in Switzerland called Gruyere. Follow us again for more exciting adventure. And if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. God bless. Thanks for watching.